Oh my God. Yesterday, I flew in from Abuja. I was sitting at the front row, 1A. And then some secretaries were sitting at the back. And some came in like Eleha, you know. And they took a picture. But I couldn't see them because I was on the front row.
Ẹ̀yin tèmi, arábìnrin tí a mọ̀ sí Ìyábọ̀ Òjó ó ti jáde wá sọ̀rọ̀ nípa arábìnrin tí a mọ̀ sí Lizzy Anjorin bí wọ́n ṣe pàdé ní inú pléènì bí wọ́n ṣe jọ wọnú pléènì kan nígbà tí wọ́n rìnrìn àjò kan. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, kí ló tún ṣẹlẹ̀? Ìyábọ̀ Òjó ó sọ nínú ọ̀rọ̀ rẹ̀ wípé ó ní kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ tí wọ́n fi ń bo ojú fún òun tí bí wọ́n sọ wípé àwọn ní àwọn oògùn ní gbogbo rẹ̀. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ látẹnu Ìyábọ̀ Òjó.
Easy to be on the front row, you know. Business class, yeah. And they were in economy. I said economy, like what? Oh my God. They saw me and they covered their faces. Oh my God. I thought you said you had some charms on you. You had some worry about water. Yeah. You saw me and you were scared. You covered your face for me. Oh, baby girl. Oh, my God. You just blab online. You saw me and you hid your face because I didn't see you. But I saw that you posted that you were in the same flight with me. I was on the front row. I never saw you in business class. Oh, my goodness. I said, girl, I'm like, whoa. Oh, yeah, boy. Sorry, I just had to do this one. I mean, my last child. I know.